one of the best topics to talk about is holiday. Why? Because when we hear the word holiday, we think of rest, relaxation, traveling, celebration, and food. Good day, everyone. This is SpeakUP, and our topic for today is, yes, that's right, holidays in the Philippines. So stay put and keep watching. In the Philippines, we have different types of holidays. We have regular holidays and special non-working days. We also have holidays that are celebrated nationwide and locally. In total, the Philippines has around 12 regular holidays, mainly composed of New Year's Day, our Day of Valor, which commemorates the courage of our Filipino soldiers during World War II, the Holy Week, a significant religious observance, then Labor Day and Independence Day. Our holidays also include important days for Filipino Muslims, our National Heroes Day, Bonifacio Day, which is the birth anniversary of one of our national heroes. Then there's Christmas Day and Rizal Day, the death anniversary of our main national hero. As for special non-working days, there are at least 9. These include one day for Chinese New Year, the anniversary of the People Power Revolution, Ninoy Aquino Day, All Saints and All Souls Day, which are observed by visiting graves and offering prayers, flowers, food, and candles to the dead. And then we have more traditional Catholic feast days, and Christmas and New Year's Eve. Amazingly, our country also has holidays that are observed locally, meaning they are celebrated in cities, municipalities, and towns. And because most people in our country are Catholic, the holidays are usually the feasts of the locale's patron saints. Or it can also be the anniversary of a city to commemorate its founding. These are the different holidays in the Philippines, and depending on what type of holiday it is, Filipino employees or workers are paid. Since a new year has just begun, many Filipinos are still looking forward to more long weekends. I hope you found this information about Philippine holidays useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.